Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to see all the old posts you have on Facebook. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do this without scrolling down in your timeline trying to see everything you've uploaded so far. So guys, let me take you to my profile and show you how to do this. So once you're in your Facebook profile, you don't have to start scrolling to see all the old posts you have uploaded so far. I'm going to show you how to easily do that. So once you open your Facebook profile, you just need to come here and click on these filters, and once you select that, you're going to find the year you want to see all the posts you've uploaded in the year. So just click on this drop down option and select any specific year of your choice, and then you need to change this posted by, is it by anyone or by you? If it's by you, you need to select it and then click on done. And once you do that, you're going to find all the posts you've uploaded in that specific year. So these are the posts I uploaded in the year 2017. So it was actually in the month of December I uploaded this. So let me scroll down and see. So these are all the posts I have in the year of 2017. So these are the posts I have made. So I made a lot of posts in the year 2017, I guess. Okay guys, this is how to see the old posts and photos you've uploaded on Facebook without scrolling down on your timeline searching for them one by one. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like and equal subscribe to this channel if you're new. I will see you in my next video.